Okie dokie. You might be thinking, Mrs. Morrison, this is how the last video started. Yes, because you are reading another persuasive text about conserving water. It just has a slightly different argument that the author is presenting, but it still has an opinion with reasons, with evidence and explanations to back it up, and ends by restating the opinion. So, talking about Save Water Now. Read the article. I'm not going to walk you through this one quite as much because I want you to see if you can figure out what claim the author is making in this first paragraph, and then find a reason in this paragraph. This one has a reason. Okay, this one has another reason that the author is giving, again with explanations and evidence to support those reasons. So take a look, see if you can figure these ones out by yourself. What is the author trying to persuade you to agree with? What is their opinion that they are writing about? All right. If you can't find it, I'm more than happy to help, but take a look and see if you can figure it out. Good luck.